guys, welcome back to my channel. Now this video is like the most requested video on this channel, and that is how to run Instagram ads effectively. Ads that would bring customers to your business, ads that would drive traffic to your Instagram account and help you to grow your Instagram account. Trust me guys, by the time you are done watching this particular video, you are going to run straight to my Instagram DM and you're going to thank me. Now before we start, I just want you to know that there are two ways of running Instagram ads. You can either run it from Facebook or you can run it from Instagram. Now in this video, I am going to be showing you how I run Instagram ads from Facebook. We are not going to be using the Instagram way. Why? Because Instagram is limited and you won't get the result that you're looking for. Probably that's why I get DMs like, I run ads, I waste money, and at the end of the day no customer shows. At the end of the day my Instagram account is still stagnant, probably because you've been doing it the wrong way all this while. So now, running ads through the Instagram platform, you only get to show your ads on Instagram alone, Instagram story and Instagram feed. But running ads from Facebook, you get to show your ads on Facebook and on Instagram. And last time I checked, Facebook is like the largest platform for advertisement. Like, they show your ads on every single platform that is on the Facebook platform, meaning Facebook Marketplace, Facebook Stories, Facebook Newsfeed, Facebook, every single thing that has to do with Facebook, your ads will be advertised there. Sorry to interrupt this, but if you found my Instagram through an advertisement that you saw either on Facebook or on Instagram, just comment down below so that every other person can see that this thing works. Now, before you start running ads through Facebook, you have to have some things in place. You have to have an Instagram account, you have to have a Facebook account, you have to have a Facebook page, you have to have an ads account, you also have to have a Facebook business account, and you also have to have a Facebook page. I don't know if I said Facebook page before. Now, if you don't have all of this, I need you to pause right now and go and get them done. This video is not on how to create a Facebook page. This video is not on how to create an ads account. This video is for those people that have been running ads in the past and has not been yielding results. So if you're a newbie, this is your first time running advertisement, then I need you to pause right now, go on Google and check how to create a Facebook page, check how to create an ads account, check how to create a business account. Everything is on Google, on everything is even on YouTube. Now if you've been running ads in the past, it means that you have all of these things in place, so you don't need to bother your head about getting them. So we're just going to dive into our Facebook account. You're going to look at the right top corner and you're going to see create. Now once I click on create, it's going to show you create page, create ad, create group, create event. So if you don't have a Facebook page, this is like where you create your Facebook page, but we're just going to assume that you have your Facebook page already, because you can't be running ads in the past if you do not have a Facebook page. So we're going to click on ads. So now this is where everything is done. So moving here, now by the left side you see campaign, you see ad sets, and you see ad, and on the main page you see create new campaign and you see use existing campaign. Now we're going to be creating a new campaign, and you see awareness and you see consideration and you see conversion. Now what kind of campaign do you want to create? Now if you are a business owner, you want to run ads on your business page so that you could get more customers, go for traffic. Always go for traffic. Why? Because Facebook would drive traffic to your Instagram account and people will get to see your business more. But if you're trying to grow your Instagram account, your personal page, and you just want brands to notice you, or you just want people to notice you and get more followers, then go for engagement. I'm going to click on engagement, and you're just going to scroll down and it tells you everything. Get more people to see and engage with your post or page. Engagement can include comments, shares, like, event responses, and offer claims, and all of that. So yeah, and we're just going to click on continue. Now, so it starts by it tells you ad sets name. This is 18 plus. Always go for 18 plus. Do not start your age from 13 plus. So use save audience. I have I've created my own audience in the past, but since we're starting from the beginning, we're going to create the audience from the beginning so that you guys can see what I'm trying to say. So we're just going to click on create audience, scroll down and you see location, and you just click on edit. Map already says Nigeria. This is another mistake that people make when they are targeting their audience. You should be more specific and let Facebook know the audience that you are targeting in Nigeria. So now I'm just going to come down here. Then exactly this is what happens. It shows you Nigeria and all of that. So we're going to click on Abuja. Let's start with Abuja. We click on Abuja. I'm going to click on Lagos. Now what I am doing is I am targeting important states in Nigeria. I'm going to go to Port Harcourt. It's gonna bring it out for me. I'm going to go to Enugu. I'm going to go to Owerri. What I'm doing right now is that I am putting in all the states in Nigeria. I'm being more specific. You can't just leave it in Nigeria. Look at the right hand corner. It says audience size, and the more you put in more states, the more it says your audience is defined. See, specific, broad, and all of that, and it tells you, it gives you your potential reach. So 11 million people already, and your estimated daily result is 6k to 17k. That's your reach, and your post engagements would be 795 to 2.3k. But Lagos should always be there, Abuja should always be there, Port Harcourt should always be there, Calabar should always be there. You come down, you scroll down, you see age. Don't touch the age, like I said, 18 to 65 is fine. Then you see gender, target all genders. When we are done with location, we just click on save this audience. So now it tells you placement. Show your ads to the right people in the right places. Automatic placements, manual placements. Never pick automatic placement. Go yourself and click on manual placements, guys. And this is what I was saying in the beginning. Now, when you run your ads through Facebook, just look at where Facebook is ready to show your ads to. It's going to show it on this platform, on the Facebook platform, and on Instagram. Now, this is the Facebook platform alone. So it's going to show your ads on Facebook news feed, on Instagram feed, on Facebook marketplace, on Facebook video feeds, on Facebook right column, on Instagram explore, on messenger inbox. In fact, your ads is going to be everywhere that people will get sick of seeing your face. That is why I like running it from Facebook. So now, after we've handled the audience aspect, we are now going to go over to budget and schedule. Now, this is how much you are willing to spend on Facebook ads. And guys, I'm just going to be blunt with you. Like, I'm just going to be open with you. You have to spend a little bit, not like you're going to like spend, but gone are the days when I started running ads. I could use like 1k to run ads for like 5 days and it will bring results, like no cap. I'm not even joking here. That was when Facebook was still normal. Now sometimes I don't want to say anything that will make them take down this video. Okay, I'm just joking. But now you can't just spend 1,000 naira and expect results, guys. But I'm going to show you how you can do it in a way that won't really run you dry. Let's put it like that. Yeah, run you dry. So you come here and you see budget and schedule and all of that. Daily budget, it has already told you 2,000 naira. In fact, what they're trying to tell you is that you'll be spending 2k every day, daily budget, and we don't want that. We can't afford that yet, to be spending 2,000 naira daily on advertisement. So now I'm just going to say this, I'm just going to remove this 2k. Now the least you can spend, I have observed Facebook, I have observed Instagram ads, trust me, I have done so many experiments for me to tell you this. The least you can spend in a day that will bring results is 700 naira. I have done it in the past. I have tried with 200 naira daily. I have tried with 400 naira daily. I have tried with 500 naira daily. And when I compared the customers that came in for a particular week, when I started with 500 naira to the customers that came in a particular week. When I started using 700 naira, there was a big difference, guys. Although when I run ads now, I start with 950 to 1000 naira. That is because I can afford it daily. So we're just going to go with 700 naira. This one says actual amount spent daily may vary. Okay, run my ad set continuously starting today. No, set a start and end date. Always set a start and end date, guys. Today is May 23rd, guys, so we're going to start May 23rd, and so we are using the 700 naira budget, and you can run it for 5 days. So like they've said, your ads will run for 5 days. You will spend no more than 3,500 naira. So this is what I'm going to spend for the next 5 days, and 700 naira will be spent daily for the next 5 days for me to be able to spend the whole 3,500 naira. So we have done that, and we click on continue. So we are done with the budget, we are done with this schedule, we are done with the target audience and all of that. So now your Facebook page. Now, like I said before, this is why you need a Facebook page. That's why when we first started, I said you have to have a Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page right here, IHUOMA_EZE, and it's linked to my Instagram, which is IHUOMA_EZE. So when you scroll down, you see either create ad or use existing post or use mockup. I click on use existing post. I just click on select post you want. So Instagram here. Now this is this is like all my pictures here, guys. Notice I can't use this picture. It's giving me this red thing here. I can use this picture, I can't use this picture. This thing means carousel posts aren't available for the selected ad objective. Yes, I forgot to mention, if now Facebook won't allow you to run ads on any carousel post. And what is carousel? When you have those swipe left, swipe left, swipe left kind of post. That's the only way I can explain it that you understand. All those swipe left, like swipe left, you can't run advertisements on them. That is if you picked engagements as your ad objective in the beginning, like what we did. So if you want to run ads on carousel posts, then pick traffic. So we're just going to use this particular post that I'm allowed to run ad on because it is not a carousel post. And I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click on continue. Now it's loading. I'm just going to show you the most beautiful thing ever. It may not be beautiful to you guys, but it is beautiful to me. Now they're just going to show you a sample of where my face will be showed in this life. So mobile newsfeed, this is what it looks like. Desktop newsfeed, if I click on it, desktop newsfeed, this is what it looks like. If I click on instant articles, guys, this is what it looks like. Look at the sponsored here. This is on Facebook now. If I click on Facebook in-stream video, okay, it's not a video, so nothing will come out here. If I click on Instagram feed, this is how it's going to look like on Instagram. You see the sponsored here, sponsored. If I click on Instagram explore feed, they put it on the explore feed, guys. They put it on the explore feed. What are we looking for again in this life? If your face is on the explore feed, you won't tell me that your Instagram account will not grow. This is why I like to go through Facebook, guys. They put it everywhere. So they put it on the explore video feed and all of that. So they're just showing you sample and the call to action. There's going to be no button, but if you did the traffic ad objective like the beginning, the call to action would be shop now, learn more, or visit website in case you want to drive traffic from Facebook or Instagram to your blog. Guys, this is the best way to drive traffic to your blog. And that is it, guys. That is it. You just come here and click on confirm. I don't want to run ads on this post. I'm just showing you an example, so I'm not going to click on confirm. But when you're done, you click on confirm, and that is the end. Like, you're done. How to check your ads and know if it's going, if it's working, if it's flowing, if it's making sense. You click on the ads manager. You just click on ads here. So now I said we did it, guys. We hit 1k. That my 1k Instagram post, I'm running ads on it currently. I am currently running ads on that post alone. That advertisement alone has gotten me 115 follows so far. 115 follows so far. It has reached 19,349 people so far. Impressions 27,360. Impressions is the number of times people see this ad. So 27,360 times this ad has been showed on Instagram and on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. I mean, this is the kind of content that you should love. So why not? Like, why not? And also leave a comment and tell me what you think about this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.